Why is the straightening of teeth important? Life of a tooth depends on good health of the gums around it and absence of cavity on it. Tooth, when crooked or standing out, make cleaning of teeth and gums difficult, causing plaque accumulation, which results in gum diseases and tooth decay, weakening the tooth support, further leading to loosening of teeth. The cavities on teeth may need large restorations or at times root canal treatment. This, in turn, compromises the integrity and vitality of tooth, directly affecting the lifespan of the tooth. A good relationship of the way the upper and lower teeth meet is very important for proper chewing. An improper bite can exert excessive force on teeth, causing faster wearing down of teeth, and additionally, a bad bite can produce improper forces on the jaws joint that may lead to pain in the jaw, ears, and extending up to head and neck. In your best interest, visit an Indian Orthodontic Society IOS endorsed MDS orthodontist who has training, experience, and treatment options to give you your best smile in a most natural way that lasts a lifetime. Log on to www.iosweb.net to locate an MDS orthodontist near you.